Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix MagicOS not updating on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and go to settings. Here in settings, the most important part is checking manually for the software updates. So as you guys can see, here we have all of those settings. Here we have system and updates right at the bottom. And we got software update. As you guys can see, it is checking for updates and my software is up to date. So we're gonna manually check again, and we wanna make sure that we are on the latest version. If we're not, what are we gonna do next is we're gonna check our Wi-Fi connection. So even if you have the icon here, you wanna make sure that it says connected and not connected, no internet. So as you guys can see, for me it says tap to share, and let's see, as you guys can see, status connected, signal strength good, and there is internet. So I know that I do have the internet, but if you don't, then you need to basically turn the Wi-Fi off and on. Maybe you should have to restart your router. There's a lot of different routers, so you need to find a method for your own. And the last thing, you can check on your storage. So you want to make sure that you have free space for a system. Usually it's around 15 gigabytes, and for me it's 16 right now. But if you update, for example, it will be like 18, but it will also have to dispose the old system without really damaging it. So that's basically it for the video. That's how you guys can fix your MagicOS not updating. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.